The future of cleaning is here. Experience the power of automation. Imagine coming home to a spotless floor every day without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if we told you that this dream is now a reality? With the latest advancements in robotic vacuum and mop technology, you can enjoy a cleaner home without the hassle of manual cleaning. A new era of cleaning. Gone are the days of tedious vacuuming and mopping. The latest robotic vacuum and mop is designed to make your life easier, giving you more time to focus on the things you love. With its advanced navigation technology, powerful suction, and advanced mopping system, this device is the ultimate cleaning solution for any home. Advanced navigation technology. The robotic vacuum and mop uses advanced navigation technology to map out your home and clean with precision. Equipped with a range of sensors, including LiDAR, infrared, and ultrasonic sensors, it effortlessly navigates around furniture, stairs, and other obstacles, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. Powerful suction and advanced mopping system. The device is equipped with a powerful suction system that picks up dirt, dust, and allergens with ease. The advanced mopping system uses a combination of water and cleaning solution to leave your floors sparkling clean. The mopping system is also designed to adapt to different floor types, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning experience. Self-emptying feature, the game changer. But what really sets this robotic vacuum and mop apart is its self-emptying feature. The device is equipped with a large capacity dustbin that can store dirt and debris for up to 7 weeks, eliminating the need for frequent emptying. This means you can enjoy a cleaner home without the hassle of constantly emptying the dustbin. Additional features. Wi-Fi connectivity for scheduling and remote control. Voice assistant compatibility for seamless integration. Advanced filtration system for capturing 99.97% of dust, dirt, and allergens. Quiet operation for minimal disruption. Compact design for easy storage. Benefits for allergy sufferers. The robotic vacuum and mop is a game changer for allergy sufferers. With its advanced filtration system, it captures 99.97% of dust, dirt, and allergens, leaving your home cleaner and healthier. The device also uses a HEPA filter, which is designed to capture even the smallest particles, including dust, pollen, and pet dander. Benefits for pet owners. Pet owners will love the robotic vacuum and mop. With its advanced suction system and self-emptying feature, it's the perfect solution for pet owners who struggle with pet hair and dander. The device is also designed to adapt to different floor types, including hardwood, carpet, and tile, making it the perfect solution for pet owners with multiple pets. Upgrade your cleaning experience. Are you ready to experience the future of cleaning? The robotic vacuum and mop is the perfect solution for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning experience. With its advanced features, powerful cleaning capabilities, and self-emptying feature, it's the ultimate cleaning solution for any home. What our customers say. I was blown away by the performance of this robotic vacuum and mop. It's so easy to use and the results are amazing. Emily R. I have allergies and this device has been a game changer for me. The air in my home is cleaner and healthier, and I can finally breathe easy. John D. I have 2 dogs and this device is a lifesaver. It picks up pet hair and dander with ease, and the self-emptying feature is a game changer. Sarah K. Get ready to experience the power of automation. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Get ready to experience the power of automation and discover a cleaner, healthier, and happier home. Order your robotic vacuum and mop today and start enjoying the benefits of automated cleaning. But that's not all. We are also offering a special promotion for our viewers. Order your robotic vacuum and mop in the next 10 minutes and receive a free additional filter, perfect for capturing even the smallest particles. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to upgrade your cleaning experience. Order now and get ready to experience the future of cleaning. Don't wait any longer to experience the power of automation. Order your robotic vacuum and mop today and start enjoying the benefits of automated cleaning. With its advanced features, powerful cleaning capabilities, and self-emptying feature, it's the ultimate cleaning solution for any home. But wait, there's more. We're also offering a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied with your robotic vacuum and mop, we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Order your robotic vacuum and mop today and start experiencing the power of automation. With its advanced features, powerful cleaning capabilities, and self-emptying feature, This 2024 model combines cutting-edge technology with unbeatable convenience, clean smarter, not harder. Whether you're hosting guests or need a quick cleanup after a long day, the Narwal Frio X Plus does it all, leaving your home spotless without lifting a finger. Love smart tech? Subscribe to Rajeshwari Deals for more incredible